Hi, I'm Allison Lee of the Memory Curator, and I teach people how to organize their photos. And today I have Jocelyn with me, who is one of my students, and she's a longtime student actually. And she was willing to come and talk with me today about her experience because I know it helps other people when they're trying to decide what the right path for them is in terms of getting their photos organized. So Jocelyn, welcome. Thank you for joining me here. And I guess to start off, I would love to know what brought you to seek out classes to organize your photos. Like, what was the state of your photo collection before you started really trying to learn how to manage it?
Well, hi, Alison. I had photos everywhere. I had multiple old devices. I had some that I'd forgotten passwords, some photos saved on Google Cloud, some on the iCloud. I'd converted from an old laptop to an Apple laptop, and I had a failed hard drive which I had diligently saved millions of photos into folders. They were all in date order and, really carefully saved. And I spent hours doing it and I lost it all.
Oh.
My hard drive failed. And I was just, I had such high anxiety. I didn't know what to do. All my lost memories. I had all these visions of leaving this legacy of photographs to my two children. And yeah, I felt completely helpless. And one day I came across you on Facebook, and it was just the Memory Curator, otherwise known as Allison Lee. You were a godsend to me, and my prayers were answered. And I enrolled, and I followed you for a while, but then work got in the way, and I couldn't keep going. So anyway, I got back to it eventually, and I started doing my master photo collection, which you so carefully told us. You told us how to do everything step by step, and I learned so much from you, how to navigate the Apple and the Google ecosystems. I found all my old photos, made my whole collection on my phone and my laptop. And it was life-changing for me. I also learned the amazing power of software. I mean, you taught us the Lightroom Classic course, and you helped me sort my photos and first into the collection, and then Lightroom sorted them into years and chronologically as well. And it was just amazing to me that after I'd spent all that time manually doing it, it could just happen in the click of a finger.
I know. Wow.
So anyway,
yeah.
it was life-changing for me. Your 3-week course was very easy to follow. You recorded everything so I could go back and do it again, because I didn't really know what was. I'm not tech savvy, and I didn't really know what to do until I re-listened to it all.
Right.
And I also put it onto my old laptop, so I was able to follow the course.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's a great
while
idea.
I was actually practicing it on my Apple computer. So that was a big thing. And the cheat sheets that you provided as well, I got them all here.
I love the cheat sheets. Yeah.
The cheat sheets are amazing. So I photocopied all of them. So I had a list right in front of me, and I was able to accomplish a lot in a short time. So that was amazing as well. Honestly, I'm not tech savvy, so if I can do it, you can do it.
Wow.
Allison she'll teach you. She's always available to answer your questions on Facebook and email. And she answers quite quickly, and nothing is too hard. If she doesn't know, she'll go out there and she'll research it, and she'll find the answer for you. So I highly recommend you sign up to all Allison's classes and learn all her tricks. She has amazing tricks. And I think she's a genius.
Oh, you're so nice.
She teaches us with kindness and grace. And Yeah, I'm very grateful. Thank you, Alison.
Oh, you're so welcome. I enjoy it so much. And the thing I enjoy the most is someone like you who feels like technology and software is out of their realm, and that they know that it does what it does. It sorts your photos, but they just feel like it's not accessible because it hasn't been taught in a manner that they can understand it. And so someone who feels like technology is like out of reach for them because they just haven't had someone teach it to them in a way they could understand it, would you encourage them to like take the Lightroom Live class and jump in?
Absolutely. And you make it so simple. It's systematic, and it's very user friendly. So yeah,
Oh, okay. Good.
thank you.
Well, thank you so much. That's such a wonderful, you have such a wonderful story and a wonderful story of recovery. And I really do think, I say that getting your photos organized is life changing, but I really do think it is. Like everyone that I talk to who does accomplish that goal of getting everything sorted so that you are not stressed anymore and that you can kind of
Yes,
be at peace with the way things are, it really
exactly.
is life changing, I think.